Assalamu alaikum, I'm Omar Dasuki and you are watching Quran Recitation and Arabic course, the first level. In the previous videos we learned how to read and write some letters with Fatha vowel. You remember Fatha vowel gives a sound A and A, short sound. A short sound, A and A. You should see the videos from the beginning of this course. You should see every video in order to not miss any information. Okay, today inshallah we will practice reading and writing some letters. The letters we have today, they are the letters they don't connect after them and they can connect before them with the letters. The letters we have today, they are 6 letters. Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, and Waw letters with Fatha vowel. Let's practice them with Fatha vowel. Alif with a Fatha, you should put Hamza on it with Alif. Why? Inshallah we will know that when we study Hamza letter. Alif has Hamza on it and the Fatha A. Some books of Quran, Alif has a Hamza and the Fatha, and another book, some prints, Alif and Fatha only. Both A. Alif has a Hamza and the Fatha A. Alif has a Fatha on top only A. Dal with a Fatha vowel Da. Next one. Zal with a Fatha vowel Za. Next one. Ra. Next one. Za. Last one. Waw with a Fatha vowel. Excellent. Wa. Don't stretch. Fatha is a short sound. Let's practice writing and reading them. Before we start, you should press like and do subscribe if you didn't do that yet to see the videos when we publish them, to not miss any video. And share this video with your friends or your family who want to learn Quran or Arabic if you found this video good for you. First word, Tha'ara. Alif in the middle, the same shape. Didn't connect with Ra. Yeah, excellent. And Alif is connected before with Tha letter. Tha, it is from the letters they connect before and after. Tha'ara. Repeat with me and write in your notebook for this course. Next word, Bada'a. Bada'a, excellent. Bada'a. Dal in the middle, the same shape, and Alif, last one. Dal letter didn't connect with Alif. Excellent, because Dal, it is from the letters, they don't connect after. Next one, Hadara. Hadara, Zal in the middle, Ra at the end, the same shape. Hadara, excellent. Dara'a. Dara'a, yeah, Ra in the middle. Dal didn't connect with Ra, Ra didn't connect with Alif, because all of them, they don't connect after. Dara'a, one word. Next one, Za'ara. Za'ara. Zay didn't connect with Alif, Alif didn't connect with Ra. Last one, Wajada. Wajada. Waw at first didn't connect with Jim. Jim, it is from the letters that they connect before and after. So Jim is connected with Dal letter. Dal at the end, the same shape. Excellent. Let's go to the test. The first question, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to answer. Read this word. Yeah, great job. Yes, excellent. Next question, read this word. Yes, excellent. Badara. Badara. Yeah, excellent. Last question, read this word. Yeah, Zakhara. Zakhara. Yes. If you have any mistake in any word, you should see the video again to not make any mistake when you read Quran or Arabic. And press like and do subscribe to see next video inshallah, and share this video with your friends on your social media. See you inshallah next video. Wassalamu alaikum.